I decided not to dance in Jamaican music videos as I used to. The first time I came to Jamaica was in 2016 as a dancehall dancer. All I was interested in was dancehall. I went to classes, street parties, spent all my time with Jamaican dancers. And at that time, I didn't want to know the other side of Jamaica at all. I thought uptown parties were boring, people who complain about noise and loud music because of the parties seemed annoying to me. And guys who didn't like dancehall, I didn't consider for any relationship at all. Now, learning about the culture from the other side, I understand better how everything works here. On the weekend, I went to my boyfriend's family gathering, and there I realized while choosing to build my life in Jamaica, I also need to choose which circle of people I want to be. I will continue to make TikTok videos and dance female style alone, but I can no longer afford to shake my half-naked ass in music videos, because now I'm building my life here and people perceive me differently from a dancer girl who came to Jamaica to study dancehall and culture. Do you agree with me or you think I'm wrong?